So you guys should use this.
Bro, no,
You guys should use this.
They should like revamp the Minecraft. Yeah, not revamp, but like just make it.
This is a
better,
resource
bro.
pack. This is a resource pack, by the way.
Wait, that's
This
one
is
of the
a
mods I want to
Yeah,
add. Like something improving.
How do you get a happy gas?
Fox, it's a resource pack. It's not a mod.
I don't know.
It's client. Client it. We client. Yeah, client.
Bro, I don't.
Yeah.
Yo, same thing, French. It's a Pokemon. I don't care. Same thing.
Mega nigga.
Oh wait. The villagers are like
What am I doing?
FPS dropping. Anyway, I don't get it. How do you get a happy gas? You gotta break a dehydrated gas in the nether.
I see.
I gotta water it outside the nether.
Water it. You gotta water it like a plant.
You have a problem, nigga?
I have a big problem with that.
You know?
I'll be some OST. So good.
And you're literally not. I'm homophobic.
Oh? What the fuck are we talking about? French. Oh, never mind.
You can see it, bro. What? Hey, how about you say it, nigga?
Wait, French. French, the bush is infinite.
Oh my god!
It's infinite.
Guys, armadillo.
Wait, then what do you lose?
Ron joined.
Let's fucking. Hi, Ron.
Hi, Ron. Ron, do you have Minecraft?
I want.
This is my new Big Mac friend.
What the fuck?
That's a
There's always something going on with this guy.
Kill all the
I know.
Jews. No.
Wie alt sind die?
Is that Sam? Wait, is that Sam?
No.
I don't think so. No.
Yeah, who's that? Is
Sam
that your boyfriend?
I'm in
Is that
German.
your boyfriend?
That's my boyfriend.
No.
Bro, you both sound the same. Are you guys brothers?
We kiss.
Ron, who is it again? Ron, who?
We do threesomes with Mona.
Wait.
Ron, who is this thing again? Who is this thing again?
It's maybe true.
He likes feet.
What?
He sucks my toes.
Ey, was für eine Scheiße sagst du?
Keine Ahnung.
Okay, bye bye.
Bye bye.
Okay, bye bye.
Bye.
Ron left.
There's always something going on with Ron, bro. Oh my god.
Yeah, that was definitely his boyfriend, I think.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yo, he said maybe.
yo,
He said maybe.
his boyfriend in another country, nigga.
Wait, he's in Germany, right?
Yeah, he's in Germany. He's German.
Nine. Is that joke not funny anymore?
Nope.
I see.
No.
Nobody that's
Nobody's laughing with it.
Oh, it's not funny anymore. I
Yeah,
see.
that's not funny anymore. Fuck you.
Yeah, alright.
You just ruined my day.
Come on, girl. You don't need a little
You
bit.
just ruined my tomorrow, bro.
Tomorrow. Goodbye tomorrow. Hello yesterday.
He's not even there tomorrow. Wait, Santa strike, 8 minutes. 8 minutes.
He said it.
Santa strike, 8 minutes.
Why is it 8 minutes? Can it go faster?
Oh yeah, fuck. So, what do you mean Vanilla Plus? Do you mean supplementaries?
No, it's like just features that adds to the vanilla experience. It's not like game changing
Vanilla.
mods, you know? That's what I meant. Like making the
There's
Minecraft
Vanilla
better.
Plus, there's Vanilla Plus. There's Vanilla Plus, Vanilla Plus Plus. Which
Bro,
one?
it's not a mod. It's like I'm categorizing a type of mods.
Oh.
Good, this guy.
Oh.
Oh, do you mean the Vanilla Plus mod pack?
Yeah, mod pack works. Yeah, mod pack works. People make that.
Oh, why not just call it a mod pack?
Oh my god, I'm actually gonna
Let's
fucking
skate.
touch it, bro. Oh my god.
He's gonna fucking touch you.
7.
Wait, notice how French said he was gonna touch me, and then I said I was gonna touch him.
Wow, that's so gay.
Yo, me and Ron.
What a old.
For so wait, hold on. I'm gonna go play single player real quick. It's taking too long.
Oh, I'm actually gonna piss myself. I cannot mine alone, man.
Bro,
Oh my.
this guy, man. Oh my
Here,
god.
give her. You should do this fucking. You do the AI girlfriend videos.
Huh?
The what? The what?
The what?
The AI girlfriend videos.
AI girlfriend videos.
Oh, this guy's saying
Yes.
shit. He's saying shit.
I'm not saying shit exists.
He's saying shit.
So, I played mommy ASMR on the big screen in front of my sisters.
Oh my.
I think your sisters were the ones that asked for it.
Nah, me. I played it. What the? Hey, don't beg me!
Oh my god.
Oh my god, guys, there was 4 creepers in the same area. Oh my god, get away from me, get away from me,
Village,
get away from me.
I'm gonna bomb that village real quick.
Oh my god, get away from me, get away from me. Get away from me.
All of my
Please,
friends are
please,
retarded.
please.
Fox, can you like do the status check for me?
What do you mean, did the status check?
Oh,
Sorry.
girl. You left me
I
alone.
closed it so that it
I
doesn't
didn't
have
like
to
you
run
at
on my
all.
PC or
Oh
something.
my god. I'm not gonna check it. Real quick. I'm gonna take a piss.
Oh my god.
He's gonna take a piss.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
And I'll cook it up.
Yo! The server is a prison.
Oh, we can't speak anymore? Okay.
Yeah. You're
Oh,
allowed to
you
speak. You're
don't know
allowed.
the origin. You don't know the origin.
This
Oh, the
guy's
horse,
this
you know
guy
the
is a
horse.
this guy is a pig.
Horse.
Oh, you
You
want
know
horse.
the horse.
Horse. Oh, baby. You don't want to know, bro.
I got the sauce and I'm cooking up this recipe.
Now?
Actually, no, I'm just
and I'm
bomb
cooking
it
up
real
this
quick.
gigolo. Got me up. Got me up.
This will be a genius way to like bomb villages. Honestly.
What? Are you a terrorist?
Yes, my name is Mohammed.
What the fuck, nigga? Fuck off.
Oh.
I think my fuzzy bee will be useful.
Wait. Okay. Next time I'm mining, I'm gonna play some like mommy ASMR while I'm mining because this
Oh
is
my
too scary.
god, shut the fuck.
Bro, I think that's gonna scare you even more, bro.
No, it's not. No, it's not. Trust me, bro. This shit dead ass soothing, bro. Like, it's so soothing.
If you're that scared, go into the game files, delete every single game ambience, and you replace it with like mommy as well.
Yo, maybe the time we're going to shit his pants when he hears the ambience.
Yeah. It's like kind of true though. It's kind of scary.
I mean, yeah, it is kind of true, but no, even without the ambience, this guy is scared, bro. Yo, wait, try playing Minecraft on 1.0.
I'm out.
Yo, I just trapped a baby villager and burned its parents in front of him.
Wow.
Event
cool, right?
status
That's cool.
check. Status check.
Let us check. Wait like 3 minutes. Okay. 3 minutes. It's actually 3 minutes.
Oh, why is there copper in the same place as ore? No.
Why you say it like that, bro?
Because I hate copper. Oh, I hear zombies. Yeah, I'm
Yo,
fucking out.
they refunded it! Oh my god!
They
They
actually did?
refunded it!
They actually refunded it?
They actually refunded it! Oh my god!
Actually,
Hey, sorry.
Yo! Wait a sec. Purchase was refunded. Oh,
Wait. How much was your place time? I mean, how long?
2 hours.
Get the
And
fuck away from me.
I love
Don't
Steam.
touch me.
I love Steam. Actually,
Don't touch me. Yeah, Steam is actually generous.
Oh, join it. It's starting. I can't join it right now though.
Wait, I'm getting chased by a zombie. I'm scared. This game is unrealistic because why are zombies chasing you in a cave? And skeletons. You know what? How about Can you like survive a Minecraft world without mining? You can do that.
Oh my god.
Huh?
No, wait, just
Oh, what?
loot. Yeah, wait, loot. It's called looting, bro.
Yeah.
Good luck with that.
These
Wait, there's an update to the Pokemon sticks.
Oh, my game's not responding now.
This update sucks.
Oh my god, the fucking baby villager escaped it.
Bro, what's wrong with you?
Escaped it.
Great. Did you guys join it? You guys join it?
Oh, you
Why is it
can
offline now? Why is it offline? Oh my. Touching you niggers, bro.
What the hell did
Touching you
I?
niggers. It's offline now. I guess on that shit again.
Oh my god, yo, please, can you do it?
Who did join?
I got the sauce and I'm
Wait, is it
cooking up
offline,
this
friends?
recipe.
Yeah, give it.
I just started it back up. Yeah, please, you do it. You do it.
Wait, please
I
give me
cannot
your
find a village,
username.
man.
Wait, or just give Police the Clown's account. Thanks.
Do you have the clown's email? The clown's email?
I don't think he remembers. Just give him the Clown's email. I need the password.
Oh, nice. I don't remember the password either.
What? Then how the fuck you log in?
Yes. Google auto login.
And then just... Yeah, we'll just make a new internal account. You're not making so much money.
This is test realm. Hey. 13. I haven't even played the fucking game yet. Hold on.
Nanang tadi. Itlang.
Oh, what is it called? Put this.
French is so stupid.
That is so stupid.
That's a very good name.
Wait, that's a name? Oh my god, I can't believe you said that.
I have unfolded clothes. Should I procrastinate and wait until the session ends, or do it while waiting for the server to open?
Huh? What are you talking about? Oh, unfold close again?
Yes.
Oh, wait for the session to it. Oh wait, yeah, just do it right now. Because the service open. Wait, please. Ping, ping, ping.
What happened to your mic?
Oh, what? That was me. Where's mine? Alright, wait for this. Okay, please check your servers right now. What the hell? I got an ad about smoking. Yeah, you should never smoke, kids.
I'm gonna go in a bit now.
No. Well, let's just do tomorrow. The
Hey,
Minecraft.
just tomorrow.
Yo, hop on, be sure.
Wala, no. Wait, on mobile.
Oh.
I'm not present first, okay.
Please, just cancel it. We will do tomorrow. Yeah. Get music. Wait, I want to see this again. Shut up, bitch. Let me play Go.
Yeah, I'm just going up.
Alright, bye bye. Hey, French.
Fries left.
Oh, the Clown's Mystery. Oh. Oh wait, yeah, we can do that this month. Yeah, we should do it. We should do it again. The Clown's Mystery. Where has me? Oh, he's folding his clothes. He's folding them. On planet Dex. Oh wait, okay. Sure, buddy. Sure. I'm gonna beat your ass, bud. Yeah, come on. Oh, you got hurt, okay. Oh, wow. 100 million? Window bell. Battle all. Five star. So lucky by high slot.
Fries joined.
Hi friends, your friends, look at Dex collection.
Oh, okay, I have no idea what to do, so just join back on mobile.
Really? Really?
Unmuted.
Hello. I'm back. Oh, I unlocked the 35B zone. Yahoo.
Hi.
Yahoo.
On mobile, by the way.
Yeah, I know. Up on bees.
I'm guessing you can like my quality.
Yeah. It's shit. It is so shit. I'm gonna cry. That's how shit is.
Waiting.
I wish I knew.
Like the more I hopped on that my brother played, he went on Minecraft immediately.
Uh-huh.
So that means I kept Minecraft mobile.
Yeah, you were not playing Minecraft in the first place.
Yeah, but if he's playing and you guys are on Minecraft,
Yeah, but we were not gonna have a Minecraft in the first place.
yeah, yes,
I'm gonna touch you. I'm gonna touch you.
it's me. When he comes back, I'm gonna tell him stories about building the kit that made me quit Gumdra.
The kid that made me quit gum. You cannot be the series.
Yo, I thought that it was a normal looking kit when I bought it, but after I researched about it, I just realized how ass it was. Dad, may kailan na ba ako? May kailan na ba? Saan? Bukas na lang? Saan dito? Saan dito? Bukas na. Bukas ka lang. No. Oh yeah, folks. On the topic of school, do you guys have like sewing classes?
What? Oh, sewing? Like...
Sewing.
Mm,
Fabrics.
no.
Yeah, okay. I'm getting forced to like do a PD on that tomorrow. Shit.
Shake my head.
Also for the icons, I think after I get home from Friday, I can do them because like the banner, it's almost done. I just gotta move them around.
Who the fuck asked for the
Yeah.
banner, bitch?
Oh, it's an update, man. It's an update. Yo, I can just the banner to I can just the banner to put this.
Oh, pyramid.
I'm trusting it to.
Your boy's got nothing to do. You don't want anything to do with this.
What you got? What do you need to do with it?
What do I do?
7777.
Cactus.
Unlimited gun drops for 7 minutes.
7 minutes?
No, the 777 code.
Wait, how many codes are there?
I'll go again. I'll check it out. Check it out anymore.
Oh, this is gonna be easy.
I feel like if I showed my Ivan modern beast form, I would get molested.
Oh, yes. You will be right.
Oh.
Yo,
Maybe Mir. Yeah, Mir, we cancel
What the
Minecraft.
fuck up with your mic?
oh, what do you mean? What do you mean, Ivan?
Yeah, Mir, your mic, Sakidu.
It's okay, it's lucky do now.
Yeah, it's Sakidu.
What now?
It's still the same.
Maybe me Merc left.
No. Oh, sorry.
Maybe me Merc
Hi,
joined.
Mir.
Yes, someone hook up to command.
What now?
Yeah, it's good now. Mir, we cancel Minecraft.
Be good now.
Oh, okay. So, what are we doing now?
I don't know, just chilling.
No, we just chill. Open that camera.
Open camera. Nah, bro, my
Box,
cuts.
box.
Mir, hop
Like,
on,
open that
Discord
camera.
public test run.
The fuck?
Yo, you can have a high full of mythics, bro.
Gamer,
Join.
gamer. The Mayrush art version of Beast Warp. Like, you can be Mayrush art.
Yeah.
Bro, he doesn't know who Mirrorshard is.
Yes, I do.
Oh, the bug?
I'll see you does.
Oh, maybe
Boss,
the ball.
I know it because you kept talking about it back then.
Oh,
And then
yeah, bro, yeah.
you went to the hospital and shit.
Fox. I just realized. Can we even get like the choose the missing egg anymore? So they changed the getting stuff thing. Fox.
Huh? What is it?
Can we even get like the missing eggs anymore? Because they changed the stuff for like the testing thing,
How do you know that?
right? How do
Where are you getting this information from? I don't trust you, nigga.
When I went on the testing stuff again, they gave me different shit instead of the ones that are usual.
Me bombo Oti.
What the fuck?
Me bombo.
Who is? Why you sprout farming me out,
Bombo. I'm gonna go borrow my mother's phone real quick.
You don't know.
I have
Oh,
not
he
been
don't.
playing Roblox for a while.
That's what you said for more.
Yo, what shall I play next? Yo, what shall I buy next?
Hold on.
Nocturne.
An F2.
Not 4.
Okay, put this. Oh, yo, okay, two against one. Nocturne. Are we sure, guys?
Yes.
Bro, FNAF 4 gonna make you piss your pants.
Yeah, that's
Also,
good.
I don't think you can play this in a PC with us because you actually gotta hear it.
Nah, I'm good. Don't worry, bro. I'll just play it on maximum volume.
Oh my god. Yeah, so you can hear the jump scares at max volume.
Oh no. Why did you have to remind me of that? Fuck you.
And then, no, Simon.
Talk to Femboys Beta. I wanna join this.
BB playing
Beamer,
anything.
it's a public server. Beamer, it's a public server.
What's up? Oh shit.
Yo, Mirror's gonna say, so?
Beamer. I joined it, and I was alone, so I thought it was private. I was just saying random shit, bro, until someone joined it.
Oh, but French, voice chat's not supported, man, so I can't talk to I gotta talk to them in text. That's kind of like that one bad.
Yeah, this
Yo,
is
yo,
bad,
yo, yo,
man.
I'm gonna join Podium.
Yo,
You
how do you...
will join us, Beamer.
Yo,
What?
how do you even know that they can even see your chat in the first place? How do you even know that?
Oh, wait.
It's an AI. It's AI.
I'm talking about people.
It's AI talking slop.
I'm talking about people.
Why you guys saying that?
Fox, do you like my company? Do you like my company?
What the... Oh, you wanna play like that, huh? You wanna play like that? Okay.
Oh, look at this guy, look at this guy.
This should just be Swarm, but you start over?
No, you
No,
got
Beamer,
open
come
stuff.
here.
You got
Come
open
back,
stuff.
come back. Here,
Oh,
go here.
yes. Oh,
Beamer, did you get the mythic eggs?
yeah, I got 500.
Okay, nice.
And you get
Beamer,
Starfish also.
Beamer, don't waste your tickets, bro. Don't waste your tickets. Holy
Yeah,
shit,
Beamer,
bro.
do not just spend all of your tickets at once like friends. It's so fucking stupid. But you can buy the
But
event.
do I?
Beamer, you can somehow waste all of that. Like that amount, you can still waste it.
No, it's not
It's
even
so
that much.
much,
It's
though.
not even that much. It's only 10,000.
Wait, can I use
Yeah,
all?
so-
Can I use like until? Can I use all? Wait,
Yeah,
the
Beamer,
fuck?
you will
Can I
not
use
run out.
X?
How many what?
Can I use Mythic Egg?
Yeah. Bro, you will not run out, bro.
Yes, you're meant to use it, Beamer. You're meant to use it.
Choose a Mythic V. I don't know which one's good though.
Which one is cool?
Boyan.
Which one's Boyat? Which one's
Oh, which one's cool? Which one's cool? Anything, Beamer. Anything. Pick all of them. Like even it out.
The one that looks like
Yeah,
Sukuna.
how about you just place all of them first and see which one you like.
Boyan. Oh, I don't like how it's looking.
Boyan is the one that summons balloons. You can know that. I don't think you do though.
Fuzzy B. Fuzzy B's kind of cute.
Yes, he's good for pollen. I think.
Oh, Precise B's got like a gun.
Samir,
I think I
make all of them gifted.
I think I made my coins.
And then Spicy B's got like the hell? That's stupid.
Yo, what did you say against my goat? Yo, what did you say?
So that's your goat? That's your goat?
Bro, Red Hive is my thing, bro. But not really, I'm Blue Hive.
Okay, I think I've made my decision. I'm going with the Fuzzy Bee.
Yeah, but you're not spamming that. What about anything else?
Yeah, you're not smart though.
You're not
Yes,
spamming that.
man.
Give them start rate, Mirror. Give them start rate.
Sorcery.
Yeah, get the sword tree.
Okay, Mirror. Give them start rate and then test them out first, okay?
Okay. Take it.
Hey, folks, wait. What can I do at this stage of the game right now? What else can I do?
No. Even I
Oh
can
wait, the
for myself.
snail! I can harass the snail.
Oh yeah, you're not gonna pay that shit. I'm just making my hive better. Side 600 million honey to raise. Oh, why can I do it 600 million honey?
But I don't find it fun that you just get
You get a restart over?
even though it's the point. I don't want that.
Not really, Mirror.
Hey,
Mirror, you're still broke. You still gotta go do stuff because it's not
Beaver.
the usual test round.
It's like if you give a hobo on the street like the paper for every mansion on the world. Like they
Fuck.
No. It's like
no.
it's like giving a homeless man $20. It helps them, but it doesn't like get them out of homelessness.
Oh wait, I get it.
Hey, look, I'm still
he gets it.
I still struggling. You got all the I got OP shit.
but I'm not endgame.
Soft wax.
I'm not endgame, bro.
Beamer, soft wax. Beamer, soft wax.
Soft wax.
No, okay, Mirror, the problem with crafting this stuff, right? You need materials, and On It doesn't give you the materials.
Wow. Wait, on it made this?
Yeah, what? Yeah, it's official.
Oh, shit.
It's official. Oh my god, this guy.
Beamer, fill it out. Fill the hive out.
With what?
Mirror, you can buy event piece. Mirror, go buy event piece.
Yeah, you can get a bed piece, but Beamer,
Yo, do not get
buy the
puppy.
most
Do
useless
not
bullshit
get
ones,
puppy.
though.
Yo, do not get puppy.
Yes. No.
Puppy?
Yes.
Do not get puppy.
I mean, do not buy the star cheat or the eggs either, by the way, because you already have them anyway.
I like Tabby.
And don't buy
Yeah,
the
Tabby,
eggs.
I get Tabby, get Tabby.
Don't buy the eggs.
Get Tabby. Yeah, don't buy the eggs. Don't buy the eggs. Yeah.
I'm gonna buy some.
Tabby's like that potential B. Potential B, you know? What the fuck can they even do at this stage of the game? Oh yeah, I gotta go for high slots.
How about we use our brain? Oh yes,
I gotta grind for high
needed that.
slots, right?
I got that. I needed that shit.
Yeah, fuck nigger.
Wow, wait, because he's like sniping the field. It's kinda cool.
Yes. Also, remember,
maybe you gotta
like
hit-
the area
hit
team, you gotta
those-
walk to every single one.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Every single one?
like
yeah. You only got Tabby B. Where's the other B's?
Oh, it's supposed to get more?
Yeah, you can get more.
How does Joe fucking play on mobile? How does Joe play on mobile? What the fuck is his control?
What do you mean?
You can get more, and also look at your inventory. Go to eggs, and then go to stickers, and then you got vouchers. Yeah, redeem those. Redeem.
Vouchers.
Use those, yeah, use those.
You get bear B.
With me?
Barely.
What, all of it?
Yeah, all of it.
What the fuck? What is wrong with you, bro? Oh my god, bro.
Wait, is this 2 times speed permanent? Wow.
No.
Yeah, it's permanent. Every voucher.
Oh, the voucher never mind.
Every minute, every second. Hey, I'm gonna do Apas again. Because my aunt I'm kinda ass. Oh shit, Fox!
Yeah, please.
The Fox! The star amulets! I forgot to do them.
Yeah, I can just.
Oh, so
You can go
do I
back.
just get every event B except for Poppy?
Yeah, if you want,
Yes.
you can get
You can also get Mission B right now.
Why can't I have more than one Tabby?
because it's a very powerful beam.
Because it's a fucking event B.
Why?
It's a very powerful beam.
I will get the photon because it looks cool.
It's a potential. Yeah, get photon. It's like a potential B.
This guy just saying, oh, this guy's spamming potential, bro. Oh my days.
No, Fox. He
He's
needs
just saying
to
potential to
grow.
everything.
Potential, bro. It's potential. He has to grow.
Yo, that baby is
Honey,
growing.
honey for
Call that
or
potential.
amulet. Free and dispenser, but and challenge.
Wait, I'm gonna do this. That's a smart move.
This and challenge is too hard.
Ano ko pala, bago mag-issue to the money, tuturo ako sa'yo. Alam mo, di ba, pag gagawa ka ng tinapay,
Mama ka na.
meron na tayong technique
Babidu.
para sa
Hey, you, my brother.
Babidu.
We can hear your loud ass gambling mom.
baka nang ito.
How did you discuss rolling, bro? Huh?
Oh, wait, did she actually gamble? I was joking.
Yes, she is.
Wow.
Yo. Oh my god.
Racism face off.
How do you think I can buy all those Gundams, bro? How do you think I can buy all those Gundams?
Yo, has she ever like maybe
Yeah,
lost?
she had a jackpot.
Oh
No.
my god.
Ayan, may flower ka din.
Yo, I never seen this nigga lose, bro. She got like 12k total from one session from her. Oh my god.
Wait, this is inspiring me. I should do that. I should gamble. This is inspiring.
What?
Isang wheat flour, isang
W French mom.
sunod. Gagawin mo.
Oh, I fucking hate the lawnmower. I fucking hate the lawnmower.
Sa makukuha mo, inakay rekta.
You know. Fox, what round do I need for the diamond amulet?
Easy.
Fox.
What is your bench?
Ano ba?
What round do I need for the diamond amulet?
What do you mean round? Oh, damn it, and no, it's not round. It's your score. It's 100.
Oh, 100.
Yes, 100.
Tapos, isa na yung wheat flour.
Oh yeah, I was at 89. Think I can do better. Wait,
Ano ko max? Ang level.
as long as Vicious keeps dishing out of like impediments, I think I can do better.
Piti, piti, piti.
Uy! Bakit? Sorry, bakit?
These beasts were probably falling, not for chilling. Oh my god.
Tignan mo, isang wheat
Sure.
flour. May chance ka na makakuha ng
Oh
dalawang
shit.
Yo, I fucking hate this. What do you call it? Lawnmower.
Ay,
Piss me off.
akin na yung sa akin. Kahit sa akin ba?
Beamer, how is it going, Beamer? Oh, Beamer, you should focus on getting better backpacks.
Yeah, I'm trying, but I don't know what field is. Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe you're busy gambling. Yeah, I'm inspired. I'm inspired by French's phone.
Kita mo yun?
No, but actually though, like, how do I? What do I fill up the spaces with? What
Beamer, whatever you want. You can do music.
Oh, Beamer. If you give a month 500, she's gonna turn into $1, and then the next day 12k.
Like, yo,
I feel inspired. I'm gonna do it.
that's a blessing and a curse, bro. That's kind of bad. Bro.
Yay! 100 score. Actually, no, not yet. Actually, not yet. 99. 100. I got
Bro,
it.
just go for 150.
Yeah, I am right now.
Yeah, and just
Ooh.
oh, music B finally, bro. Oh my god.
Same board.
Oh my god, I'm going to most of every single ad on the book. Oh.
Oh boy, what's happening?
To get him
Teka
boost.
ba?
My fucking ass got tired, bro. What's this for? Are we dead ass? Plus 1% critical chance?
Di pre, like,
Yeah, I just hear me.
di pre, like,
Like,
Yeah. Equip.
tignan mo to. Kahit nakadis, hindi kita ka,
Remember the photo?
hindi ka magkakita ng
I tell your brother to shut the fuck up.
Can we normalize hitting on brothers? Can we normalize?
No.
You're not a virgin brother. Not a virgin.
Mahirap to
Not a virgin brother.
Pa-explore na.
Bro, I was confused because I thought you could hear like the casino audio, you know?
Is there a casino inside your house, bro? Oh my God.
I was joking when I said she was gambling. I didn't know she was actually
Yo,
gambling.
no, I thought you could hear it for some reason.
Do you guys have a slot machine?
Probably.
No, it's a fucking phone.
Oh,
She's digitally gambling.
oh my god.
I don't know. Oh, yeah, Fox, look at John. Put his girl in the treatment too.
Yeah, fuck you.
We can't have shit in this game. Well, they're not that close to each other. I wanna use my sprouts at night because I need moonshots for the amulet.
Hope you have your moon charms.
Fuck you and you
And you.
and you.
Fuck.
Yo, I kind of oh my god, fuck.
Lalagyan ng mga chess. Kapangalan ng chess. Bukat ka, lalagyan ko ng traffic table. Sample mo.
Nice.
Sample ko sample ko. Oh, so what's the max stack on Tabby B? 1K, right?
Yes.
Yeah, my V's are gifted. That's
Gawa ka
special.
ng chess, pre. Tapos maglagay- Pre, huwag ka maglagay ng
It's
Let's go.
special.
Let's go.
Pre,
It's special.
Let's go, Beaver.
Shut the fuck up, bitch.
sasabi sa'yo.
We're going up.
Batak yun, pre.
How this audio will be used in 2020.
We're going up.
Back up a ride. We're going up.
Yeah, I think your brother will tell you to shut the fuck up too.
No, he's so busy watching Jenny Minecraft. What do you call it?
Yo, Mimir, you can collab with him.
Yo.
Oh yes, nice. Fuzzy feel.
Gooner brother, gambling mom. What does your dad do?
Bro, Pudus, that's only like 4 level
Wait.
8s, bro. Why is it
Oh,
so
wait.
fucking expensive?
Wait, alcoholic dad?
Pudus, 20,000 bits is only 4 level 8, bro. Oh my god.
What? Baby, what do you say?
Does your dad drink alcohol?
Galing, diba?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
But it's not that problematic, bro. Like he's stupid as fuck when he's drunk.
Yo, this is the asymmetrical family.
No. Very functional family, bro.
Is he lagging or am I lagging?
No, you were like,
Oh shit, I don't know what I was lagging. Wait. What did you say? I didn't hear.
I said your family's asymmetrical.
wow, we were so.
Like Forsaken?
Can we kill it?
Forsaken, what's that?
Alright.
The game with
Like
terrible
Dying of
death?
Death, like Dying of Death, the only Asian game.
Hindi ko tayo sa
Hey, wait a minute. I gotta discover like D types and to use the thing. But I use the all
yeah.
these.
Never. How to say this?
Yeah.
Grind the game a bit, and there's like an area where you can get a raw jelly for each gifted bee. Just make every single one you have gifted.
Yeah, they're all gifted right now.
Yeah, that's like 30,
Bro,
20,
you'll be-
20 more jellies.
Mira, how much honey are you making? Like, how much honey do you have?
I have 1 million honey.
Golly, dandelion sucks. I don't want this.
Jolly, dandelion buns. Ability badge, I don't need this.
Oh my god, you posted dandelion again?
Should I do quests? Hell no.
I mean, it gives you capacity.
I got the agility, mobility, capacity, agility.
Fuck up, nigga.
I ain't got time for
Give me
shit.
4 words.
Yes.
Give me 4 words.
Tick, 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 tick.
Agility, mobility, capacity.
Hey, not bad.
I got the agility, mobility,
Oh
capacity,
yeah,
agility.
oh, Mimir. You just made 5 of each, bro.
Wow.
Wow. Mimir, no, you should not have like 5 fuzzy bees. You should only keep like 2. You know, 1 max. You
Like
1
two.
max.
Wait. How many fuzzy bees do I have?
You're wasting bee slots. Oh yeah, Mimir, you should gift the basic bee. Mimir, you should make the basic bee gifted.
Yeah. The gifted hive bonus
Very
is really
important.
good. The gifted hive bonus is really good.
Yeah, the gift eye bonus is
Like,
1.2 times volume. It's very good.
yeah, that's a lot, Mimir. That's a lot in this game.
Mimir, any minuscule amount of stats matters.
Any minuscule
What-
multiplier
what-
matters.
What do I replace it with?
More
Can
like
show me how you convert good now.
maybe buoyant,
So tiny, eh?
buoyant.
Boyang.
Oh, look
Boyang.
at me, it's balloon so tiny. Hey, balloons, my balloon
Yeah.
blessing is 20. You cannot compare. You cannot compare.
I have the gift of
Pare.
basic.
What you do with 100 million? What the hell is Buddha saying?
Jelly.
Think-
Suffer. Suffer.
Oh yes, I got sunflower peel. Time to grind capacity.
Nectar pot? What does nectar pot mean?
Stores your nectar. Oh yeah, nectar. Yeah.
Oh no! Oh no! Give me your buses, oh no!
Yo,
Oh no, give me
my
your
sister's
buses!
watching, my sister's watching the FNAF movie right now. I think she's at the scene where
Wait, which sister?
where my
Mirror, which sister?
the old
Oh yeah, which system?
Oh, the old one, the older. Wait, did you guys spoil her?
what do you mean?
Did you guys spoil her?
That's why it-
Oh, okay. Very nice.
I said Freddy died.
Oh.
It's kind of a spoiler. Freddy did die.
That's kinda... Yeah, that's kinda true though.
Wala.
Yes,
Freddy dies,
Oh
Monica
no,
dies, Chica
please give me
dies,
attention.
Foxy dies.
Yo, huge movie spoiler, but the man in purple dies.
Ay, just like,
Oh my!
Yay.
I can't get the fucking egg, dude. The dark bear, the teddy bear, yo.
Yo, wait, so how much tickets do you have?
I can't get.
3.6k.
How do you get? Oh,
Oh my!
Mirror, do you want to get gummy beef?
This is too hard. But yeah, give me get gummy. Get gummy.
It's
Very
at
good.
15 B zone, the end challenge area. Wait, Frank, can you show me?
Yes.
And come.
Okay, wait. How much gummies do you need again? How many gun drops?
Oh
do
wait,
you need?
Mirror, you need to buy the gun drops first. Go to Panda Bear. There's a gun drop shop.
Wait, how many? Like 2.5, right?
Hold on.
2.5.
Where's the panda bear again?
Oh, 2.5. Okay.
Eat these guys.
You're in the 5B area. 5B area. Go back. Come here.
Go
Oh,
back,
right here?
Mirror. Go back.
Oh, come. Oh my.
Go back,
Even look
Mirror.
above you.
Wait a minute.
Look.
Hi, Mirror.
Look at Mother Bear.
Hello. Oh. Oh.
Yeah, you gotta go back upstairs. You gotta go back upstairs, man.
Wait, why?
Yeah, the gun drop shop is here.
Wait, you mean the ticket?
What kind of alternative route are you taking? We don't got anything. Never. Okay.
Yes,
Oh,
please,
this
please.
and buy like set to the max and get 2.5k. Right, 2,500.
2,500 gum drops?
/o left.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, put this gone. I put these.
I put these. You got to go.
Wait, did you say
Did you?
2,500?
2,500. Yes.
Oh,
Hurry up before I molest you, man.
I still got 2,800. Okay, good.
That's fine. Okay, let's go.
nice man. You will use some of it.
Yes. I have excess, but I'm worth it. I bought excess because I still use them.
Mimir, I regret watching Spy X Family, bro.
Why? It's good though.
Because it's too good. Now I'm gonna wait 2 more episodes and then it's gonna fucking end. Oh my god.
Yeah, don't remind me, bro. I don't want it to end. It's too good.
So you, I thought like the Lois backstory would be like more apparent throughout the season, but it's only for like 1 scene.
Yeah, it's more
But
like
it's good enough.
one
It's good
episode,
enough.
episode.
No, I thought like season 2 was gonna be this whole thing about discovering his backstory.
You know, do you like my bear buddy?
Oh, it's Fox and he's black. That's very accurate.
Wow.
Everyone here. There you go.
Yeah, why is your name in dog?
The gummy bear.
Okay, combine it.
Yay!
Yay!
Let's go.
Okay, wait, I'm gonna go to the B team.
Wait,
Wow,
what
so
do I
did it
replace
work?
the gummy bear? What do I replace it with?
Yay!
Anything.
Anything?
Or Fuzzy B. Or Fuzzy B if you have more.
I have like 5 fuzzy bees for some reason.
Okay,
Yeah, me
where's
like
Randall?
1 or 2 only. Why? 5 is just a waste.
Yeah, but 5 is a waste.
It's a waste.
Oh yeah, I forgot dev jobs now. Wait, I'm gonna do commando check.
The gifted gummy bee.
I gotta visit the starter shop to buy fucking scissors.
I'm gonna go sleep now. Wait, after I make this one.
Alright.
Okay.
Anyway, do you guys go
Fox,
tomorrow?
are you gonna go too?
I'm
you
gonna
gonna
go
go
at 12, like 3 minutes.
Okay, yeah, same.
Making honey. Honey! Okay. Bye, guys.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Yeah, let's just leave now.
Maybe me Merc
Let's see if
left.
they get.
What?
Fries left. Full left.